Okay, sit back and enjoy this one because this is a very, very special car in every single way. When I think of a BMW X5, I think of SUV, and then I want spec. I think of all the extras that you could physically want, and this car has that. But then you gotta think about colors as well because there's such a range of metallic palettes out there. Now this one's called Dravit Grey, and I'm going to show you in a few more seconds in close detail that the Dravit Grey isn't just one color. This car is a 2024 74 registration, which means it was registered at the back end of 2024. Now with a BMW, you get 3 years manufacturer's warranty from new. So this car has warranty with BMW up until the back end of 2027. And that's everything, parts, labour, VAT for engine, mechanicals, everything but wear and tear. Right, so the X5 is not the biggest SUV that BMW make, but it's a second from the largest. This particular one is a 5-seater. It is the newest model available on the market today with a lot of X styling. Now I use that word quite often on a lot of my BMW products because you can just see the X styling here. Half of the X is here, half of the X on the other side. You've then got the new BMW LED headlights, but if you come all the way in for me, what you'll notice is nice little fine detailing. So unlike your conventional daytime running lights, these have a lovely glass piece there, which is the DRLs, and then behind you have the LED headlights, and then behind from that you can see a lot of blue accents. Now the headlights are a lot slimmer. If you look at the X5 from years ago, they were big and bulky. Everything's a bit more slimline, it's smoothed off, but still has some sharp lines. Now this is the M Sport. The M Sport gives you this beautiful upgraded bumpers with lots of venting going on, and then it's got the M Sport Pro package. Now a lot of the grills, etc., would normally be chrome or silver. This one's pretty much de-chromed. Black here, black there, and black here. You've also got the illuminated front grille as well on this one. You can just see the lights flashing off my fingers there. And the venting behind, they also open up as and when it needs to. Technology package, comfort package. You've then got the Sky Lounge panoramic glass roof. This car has it all. Going to the wheels, this car has 22-inch upgraded wheels from BMW in gloss black. And because you have the black styling pack around the car, they're the wheels that you want in that colour. And just behind, a little bit of pop, you've got the red M Sport brake calipers just there. And they look nice. Behind the wheel, you can just see them shining through. You've then got this little bit of arch kit, all colour-coded as well in Dravit Grey. Now, if you come all the way over in here, I think this is probably the best part. Let me have a quick look on. Yeah, you can just about see it there. So it's not just grey. You can see the gold, a little bit of silver, a little bit of purple, blue. It's just got a mixture of colours, but 90% of the times, it just looks grey. When the light hits it on a nice sunny day, you just can't help yourself but go, wow, what an amazing colour. You've then got the side air breathers down here, finished in gloss black, more M badging, which stands for the M Sport. You've then got the side camera system, and then the high shadow line window surround, which is black in here. That beeping that keeps happening means comfort access. So there's 3 little lines here. When you walk up to the car, you pull the door handle, it opens. As you walk away, you just press that, and it'll lock for you, and the wing mirrors fold in. That's a nice little touch. Now, being the new model X5, you've got this up-to-date, most modern infotainment system, what they call the iDrive 8. So you see this huge glass there. That's a touchscreen media system, plus the digital driver zone as well. But then, before I go any further onto the media side of stuff, over here you have the perforated ivory leather seats with the black beading, and because it's M Sport seats, this section comes forward just like that, as you can see. So you can get all the support that you need. Lumbar support as well down here. You've also got massaging seat, heated and ventilated seats, and you press this button down below. When you use these controls, now I can control the passenger seat. Pretty clever. We've also got heads-up display, electric folding mirrors, electric windows, child safety lock, and there's leather everywhere. All over the door card, top of it, bottom of it, and then the door bins are huge. The fuel flap release button is just down below. Automatic headlights, window wipers. I will go back into the driver's zone in a few seconds. I hit it too hard. This car also has soft closed doors. So when you're looking at a BMW, like I said, you want everything, this car has it. Just, that's a start. As for the back, you've got rear heated seats, sun protection glass, nice little touch with the built-in blinds just there, and they tuck away nice and smoothly into the door card. That extended lever on the door cards as well, more ambient lighting, and then the ambient lighting continues on the back of the seats just there. You've got third zone climate control, rear heated seats, USB port, 12-volt chargers just there, and the fully fitted mats. You've got venting here, grab handles here, coat hangers in there, and then take a look at that Sky Lounge panoramic glass roof. And that's the illuminated one. So if you have blue lights here, that will pixelate blue. If it's red, pink, green, that'll do the same. This car also has this lovely wood interior inlay. See this here, it's a nice light shade of wood, and that goes really well with the interior colour. But when you're sat in here, you're comfortable, you've got headroom, you've got leg room. It's a 5-seater, so 3 passengers can comfortably sit in here. Because the car's an SUV and it's raised off the ground, the centre tunnel is very, very low. So that middle passenger doesn't have to sit awkwardly. You can all three just enjoy yourselves. The centre armrest comes down, you've got ISOFIX attachments. It just keeps giving. Comfort access, soft closed doors, rear blinds. The black beading, that's a nice little touch. You forget sometimes, but it's a little detailing like this. M Sport seat belts, another nice little touch as well. And then you get to the back of the car, you have the top spoiler, the X lighting continues, and this car has a factory deployable tow bar. You know what, I think I actually mentioned, or forgot to mention at the start of the video, this is the 50E. So it's a 3-litre petrol, but a plug-in hybrid. So you're getting best of all worlds. You've got 489 brake horsepower. The plug-in hybrid means you can drive it in electric mode, you can drive it in petrol mode, or you can drive it in hybrid mode. Plug-in and charge. That also means that you might want to buy it for the business because there's lots of benefits there. But if you're just an everyday driver, a private person in a passenger car like this, you might want the benefit of a hybrid vehicle because you can save yourself some fuel and it's a quick car. You'll notice also the BMW badging has a bit more blue styling to it, reversing camera system, automatic tailgate with the split signature tailgate as well. There's the electric deployable tow bar. You press one button, it comes out, press one button again and it goes away. Press this button, that opens up. You've then got this huge boot space. The seats go down 40, 40, 20. You've got the tonneau cover which hides all the valuables, just drags across and clips in there. Lift it down and there we go again. To release the seats, there's handles here, literally, and that goes down that way. And then underneath here, you have more cubbyhole space where the netting is, lock and wheel nut, towing eye, etc. Press that one button, that lifts up and that closes. Down below from that, it's an M Sport, so you have the M Sport rear bumper, you have the black tailpipe, so everything, like I said, looks super sporty. Just because it's an SUV, it doesn't mean that it has to be just practical and boring, because that's not the case. The X lighting, as I mentioned, continues around the back with the LED indicators. Nice little touch, this, isn't it? BMW built into there. Bodywork is in fantastic order. Just like the other side, this side is perfect. And then you have the passenger seat. You've got the Harman Kardon sound system, which is the upgraded sound system. There's that wood again. You've then got lots of leather. You must agree, that wood looks really good on the floor. What you'll also see now with the new model cars like this one is it's very, very minimalistic. There's not a lot going on here because they've taken it all off from there and put it onto media screen. And this one has the heated steering wheel as well. Cup warmer, can cooler, wireless charging pad. And then let's not forget, this car also has air suspension. So when you're looking at another BMW X5 out there and you think, I found the perfect one, have you found the perfect one? Has it got all the spec? Is it the right colour? 23,000 miles on a 74 registration with all that spec. Not to forget, it's got heads-up display, semi-autonomous driving. So when you put this car in cruise control, it goes on corners on its own. It's flashing away to let you know, get your hands back on the steering wheel. It's very, very clever. But because it's a 50E, it also sounds good. So, foot on brake, push the start button, and I'm on. So right now I'm in electric mode. You can put it in drive, put it in sport. If you look down here, you've got sport, engine comes straight on, and it sounds good. You've got hybrid, electric, you pick and choose. That's your camera systems, that's your iDrive. There's your little buttons down there, but that screen alone is amazing. It really is. It's super futuristic, very easy to use, very quick, and does everything that you want it to do. There's a heated steering wheel, the heated and ventilated seats, and that's the bit I was talking about, the semi-autonomous driving where it turns corners by itself and that'll flash away. It has sensors all the way around the car and it keeps you in line. This is a stunning, stunning car with very nice mileage, very good condition, and a stunning colour combination. My name is Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.